In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in Klaviyo email. Adding video to your email campaigns is a great way to increase engagement, drive clicks, and make your message feel more dynamic. In Klaviyo, there's a simple and fast way to do this using the built-in video block. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can confidently add videos to any email you create. First, open the email template you want to work with in the Klaviyo editor. This could be a campaign template, a flow email, or a base template you use over and over. Make sure you're in the drag and drop editor view so you can work with content blocks. Once the template is open, give it a moment to load fully so all the editing options are available. Next, look at the side panel in the editor. This is where all your content blocks live, like text, images, buttons, and so on. Find the block labeled Video. If you don't see it right away, scroll down the panel until you do. Once you've located the video block, click and drag it into your email layout. Drop it exactly where you want the video preview to appear, whether that's near the top of the email for maximum visibility or lower down to support other content. As soon as you place the video block, you'll see a space where you can add your video link. Here's where you paste your video's URL. Klaviyo supports links from platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, and TikTok, so just copy the full URL from your browser and paste it into the field provided in the editor. Be sure you're using the public or shareable link, not a private dashboard link, so recipients can actually view the video when they click. After you paste the URL, Klaviyo will automatically generate a preview image taken from that video. It also overlays a play button on top of the preview, so it clearly looks like a video thumbnail rather than just a static image. This makes it obvious to your subscribers that they can click to watch. From here, you can adjust the size and alignment of the block to fit your design, and then save your template. That's all you need to quickly add a video using Klaviyo's fast method with the video block.